Hey guys, Rosalynn Daniels here, and today I'm going to show you how to make easy mini Pavlovas. First, you want to take 1.5 cups of sugar. I like to put it in the oven for about 7 minutes at 200 degrees before I start whisking up everything. That helps to make sure that you have a smooth mixture and you don't have any grittiness. Once that's in the oven, you want to start whisking 6 egg whites. To your egg whites, add 1 teaspoon of fresh squeezed lemon juice and 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. Once the egg whites start to form soft peaks, that's when you can start adding your sugar, just a little bit at a time. Whisk at a high speed until the mixture is completely smooth, glossy, and forms stiff peaks. Oh, and make sure you don't forget the vanilla extract. Use a dab of your meringue to hold down your wax paper because that's where we're going to form our Pavlovas. You can freeform by using 2 large spoons, or you can use a piping bag, but you want to make the shape of a basket and make sure that it's hollow in the middle because that's where we're going to add all of our filling. Put in the oven at 250 degrees for about 1.5 hours. When I knew I was going to be making all these mini Pavlovas for this video to show you, I thought, why don't I invite someone over so they can join in on all the fun? So I decided to have a Pavlova playdate. So I invited Tiffany Gatlin and her beautiful daughter Zoe to come help me and Harper put some of these Pavlovas together. Now it's time to get started on our homemade whipped cream. In a cold mixing bowl, add 2 cups of chilled heavy whipping cream, 4 tablespoons of powdered sugar, and 2 tablespoons of vanilla extract. Mix with a chilled beater until it starts to get firm, but make sure you do not overmix. Now you're going to fill your cooled meringue baskets with your homemade whipped cream. You can either pile it on with a spoon or bring out that piping bag. Top with fresh berries or other fresh fruits that you love and garnish with mint. Now you and your friends can enjoy a fabulous dessert that gives a wow factor because it's so pretty. And you guys, it was so easy to make, right? Well, if you like this tutorial and you want others like it, please don't forget to sign up for my monthly newsletter. And if you want to see other recipes or DIY and lifestyle hacks, don't forget to visit rosalyndaniels.com. Until next time, I'm Rosalynn Daniels.